7 interesting psychological facts about guys in love. Respond quickly. If a guy is in love, he will always respond to his partner quickly. It could be through text, phone, or simply whenever his partner needs him to be around. One of the main signs that a guy is no longer in love or interested in a relationship is not replying quickly. Friends, if a guy is in love, he will want the whole world to know about it. For he will hold your hands whenever he enters a room, touches your hair or face in public. If a guy is no longer interested in a relationship or has fallen out of love, he may flirt with other women while his partner is present. Be present. Studies show that when guys fall out of love, they tend to disappear or not be around as often as they used to. If a guy is always present for occasions or simply when you need him to be, it means that he truly loves and cares for you. You will also find that a guy in love will make you his priority by texting or calling to check up often, make you feel loved. A guy in love will always try to make his significant other feel loved by saying nice things, encouraging his partner, cuddling, sharing his partner's happiness and sadness. If a guy does not love his partner, you can expect that he will make his partner feel bad about herself very often or want her to act like someone else. Commitment. Although research shows that men may stray even when in a loving relationship. That said, if a guy really loves a girl, he will stay committed to his relationship until he feels neglected or threatened. Poking and flirting. Psychology says that if a guy is in love, he will flirt with his partner very often. Also, you will find that he is often joking, poking or tickling his partner. This makes him feel closer to his partner and also his way of showing how much he loves her. As the relationship evolves, guys tend to use jokes like keywords only their partner understand will let you in. If a guy in love with you, he will slowly begin to open up to you and let you in. Men find it very hard to talk about their feelings and will only open up to someone they trust or feel connected to. If you find him opening up to you about things that deep or hard to talk about, it means that he is in love with you.